McCall. His name is Bentley. Next is Molly. Molly is a double yellow-headed Amazon. She's a female. Good girl. Next is another double-headed yellow Amazon. His name is Apollo. Hi, Apollo. Hi, Apollo. Next, we have a female Eclectus. Her name is Scarlet. She has pretty colors to her. Next, we have a black cap conure. Kind of scared a little bit. You could kind of see her there. She's a black cap conure. Her name is Snickers. Moving down the line, we have a female Cape Parrot here. Guess she's trying to eat a little bit. Her name is Sade. Next we have an African Gray. His name is Bubs. All of our birds love to get petted and handled, and we take them out all the time. Next we have a blue front Amazon. His name is Pablo. Sometimes he's scared, but he's a good boy. Next we have a Hawkhead. His name is Apache. Trying to get his hair to go up, but he doesn't always like to do that. Again, another very friendly bird. Next we have Tonto. He's another hawk-headed parrot. Huh. Another very friendly bird. On down the line, we have a golden conure. We call him Pikachu. His name is Pikachu. Another very friendly bird. Very bright colors. Next, we have Alex. Alex is another African Gray. Oh, Alex. Next, we'll go down the line. We have another Cape Parrot. This one's a male. It doesn't have orange on the head. Next, he's another conure. He's a crimson belly conure. See the red on him, on his chest? He's called a crimson belly. We'll move on over to here. Another female eclectus. They're in one cage. Male eclectus, the green one. Female eclectus, the red one. Her name is Chloe. His name is Emerald. Right now they have babies that are approximately 3 weeks old, 4 weeks old. Let me get you a little peek at them. Their eyes are just starting to open. Leave them alone. Leave them alone so mommy and daddy don't get mad. Going down the line, we have another eclectus. This is another male eclectus. His name is Louis. He's a good boy. Moving on down the line, we have a blue-fronted Amazon. This one's a Choco blue front. Again, another friendly bird. Right now they're kind of nervous from getting filmed. We'll go on down the line. Now we have Rocky. He's another double yellow hair Amazon. See his tail flare out? He's a very good boy. His name is Rocky. Going down the line a little bit more, we have Alice. Alice is a yellow-naped Amazon. She's kind of new to the environment, new to the house. She's only been here a couple weeks, but she's going to be a very good learner and talker as well. Last but not least, this is our white-bellied Kaique. Another very friendly bird. Eventually, she will lose the black around the head, and it will become white and orange. But she's pretty young as well. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of my bird room. I will go through and give you a big view here of everything. We have the nets on the roof there where the birds enjoy climbing around. But this is pretty much the bird room. Thank you for watching. Remember, hit that click button, hit the like button, and the subscribe button. Thank you.